In this video, I will show you how you can add shipping condition to your WooCommerce store in WordPress. First of all, we need to download a plugin. Go to Plugin and click on Add New Plugin. Now search for flexible shipping. This is the one. Click on Install now. Activate the plugin. Now go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on Shipping. Add a shipping zone. You can any name to your shipping zone country-wise or any other name. You can add shipping regions as well in which you want to apply your shipping conditions. After doing this, click on Add Shipping Method. Here it gives us 4 options. We have to select the flexible shipping option. Now click on Edit. Here you can give your shipping title. Scroll down. If your products are applicable to tax, then you can select taxable option, otherwise none. And free shipping requires, select the minimum order value. In free shipping threshold, here you can enter the minimum amount on which you can give free shipping to your customers. Let's say, I want to give free shipping on a minimum order value $500. In rule calculation, select the sum. In cost calculation, select the package value. Here is the rule you can apply on your shipping conditions. We have to give the condition on which we want to give free shipping. Select the first rule price. If the order value is from $0 to $499, then shipping cost will be $20. Similarly, add new condition. And this time, if the order value is from $500 to onwards, then the shipping cost will be $0. Now click on Save Changes. Let's see how it works. Go to your any product. And click on Add to Cart. Let's view the cart. You can see that the shipping cost is $20 because it does not meet the minimum order requirement for free shipping. Let's increase the quantity of the product and update the cart. As you can see now, it's showing us free shipping. because our minimum order value is exceeding $500. If we proceed to checkout, then here is our grand total and shipping is free. In this way you can add shipping conditions to your online store in WordPress.